Oppo Pinoy Style. Pinoy Style. When I come around, you know it's gonna be a party. Cause I come from a land that's more fun than the other countries, where we ace our exam with flying colors cause we studied. And there's nobody else that can cook better than our mommies. Yeah, it's hotter here, and that is why my skin is brown and you'll find water here to wash my bum after I'm done raiding my Frigidaire. Cause I am proud that I'm Pinoy, I shout it everywhere and tattooed it here. A baby duck still inside the eggshell. It is good, yeah. It's called balut, yeah. I eat my ulam, rice and sausawan with my hands, yeah. I close open, yeah. You have two godparents, I have 10. Weh, Oppo Pinoy Style. Pinoy Style. Oppo Pinoy Style. Pinoy Style. Oppo Pinoy Style. Hey, Pinay lady. Oppo Pinoy Style. Stays where it's shaded. My name is Mikey Bustos, your one and only Pinoy boy. I'm pointing with my lips cause hands are busy eating Penoy. Blessing to the elderly, I mano po to Lola. But now my forehead smells like ginger cause she cooked tinola during summer here. Yeah, it is super scorching hot and the rest of the year. Yes, it is still so scorching hot, but really I don't care. Cause I just use my split type aircon, I can pee-pee here almost anywhere. Cause I do okay in BG, okay. Magaling, yeah. In tinikling, yeah. Yes, I am guapo, haba ng hair mo. As I go do, that's how we do. Beautiful eyes will get to you. I'm a liar, Oppo Pinoy Style. Pinoy Style. Oppo Pinoy Style. Pinoy Style. Oppo Pinoy Style. Hey, tita baby. Oppo Pinoy Style. Hey, we're related. I wear barong while eating chicharon. Just watch us take over the world with a plastic balloon. And I'm on my cell phone, texting in Jejemon. And I am BB during brownout cause there's no aircon. Ba't ganon? Oppo Pinoy Style. Long live Filipinos. Oppo Pinoy Style. Mabuhay ang Pilipino. Oppo Pinoy Style. I'm just returning the favor.